Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xmining token. Now the Xmining token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is a brand new project. We're going to go over the information on the Xmining coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Xmining token. So this token, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. Their Twitter is at X_mining. They also have a Telegram at Xmining_official. Their webpage is x-mining.io. And over there you can find a full white paper. You can find an audit. So they were audited by CoinSalt. You can review the full PDF of that. At the very bottom of their page, they have a spot where you could subscribe to a newsletter if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with the project. They have a chat box in case you need help. And they have a contact email, support@x-mining.io. So all sorts of links all over the place, even frequently asked questions. Their team is doxed on the page here. You can check out all sorts of different team members. And tons of info all over their page, but their webpage, x-mining.io, that's where you can get involved with the pre-sale. Now they have a countdown, so there's 8 days basically until the next price increase. So the earlier you get in on the pre-sale, the cheaper it is basically. That's how most of these work. So you can also stake your tokens after getting them. So right now they already have over 3.4 million Xmining tokens have been staked. Now this is an Ethereum token, so you can connect your wallet to the page and you can buy this token with Ethereum. So first you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you use for Ethereum. You would fund that with ETH, and then you would go to the webpage x-mining.io. And then you can connect your wallet and you can plunk in how much ETH you want to spend, and it'll tell you how much Xmining tokens you'll get for that value. It tells you the current stage and current price of the token and what the next stage price will be. So when I upload this video, you'll still have around 8 days or so to check this out before the next price increase. And then it'll just go through different stages, slowly increasing the price until their public listing date. Now, they have a roadmap, they have tokenomics, they have white paper, all sorts of information on their webpage here. So Xmining introduces a revolutionary approach to Bitcoin mining, simplifying the process and making it more accessible to a broader audience. Our platform leverages advanced blockchain technology to streamline the mining process. Our vision is to democratize the process of Bitcoin mining, making it not just profitable, but also accessible and environmentally sustainable. Our mission is to provide a platform that balances efficiency with ease of use, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their technical background, can participate in and benefit from Bitcoin mining. So the challenges in Bitcoin mining. The current landscape of Bitcoin mining is fraught with challenges, including high energy consumption, the need for expensive hardware, and a steep learning curve, making it inaccessible to many. Traditional mining setups require significant technical knowledge and financial investment creating barriers to entry for average individuals. Additionally, the environmental impact of mining is a growing concern. So Xmining introduces the stake-to-mine model, a novel concept that allows users to participate in mining through staking. This model is underpinned by Ethereum smart contracts, ensuring security, transparency, and efficiency. So that's why people are staking their tokens. So investors in Xmining can expect potential earnings through our staking model. Staking Xmining tokens not only supports the network, but also provides a chance for token appreciation and rewards. The process of investing in Xmining is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, setting it apart from traditional mining investments. Now, the Xmining token has a clear and transparent distribution model. A certain percentage is allocated to presale, Bitcoin mining operations, marketing, staking tokens, and community rewards. Staking Xmining tokens will yield rewards for investors, incentivizing participation in long-term holding. So 55% of the tokens go to presale, 15% go to community rewards, 15% mining operations, 10% stake tokens, and 5% marketing. So users can stake Xmining tokens through the platform. This process is simple and can be done with just a few clicks and is accessible to anyone. Mining rewards are distributed based on the amount of Xmining staked and the duration of the stake, ensuring a fair and transparent reward system. They have a little bit of team info, and then they have their roadmap, starting with develop core blockchain infrastructure, focusing on staking rewards optimization. Start private beta testing with community members focused on staking mechanisms. Initiate marketing campaigns highlighting benefits for early staking rewards. Then begin the presale, offering participants early access to staking rewards. Develop community forums. Then we got user-friendly staking interfaces on the platform. Released advanced interfaces for staking features. Referral programs for additional rewards. Industry partners, so they're going to have some partnerships, and then more marketing, user feedback, and then we got new technology, new partners, analyze the progress, host a community event, and lay the foundation for the next phase of the roadmap. So they do risk management, they have sustainability plans, they have technical architecture, security measures, they have a legal and compliance section, and some frequently asked questions. And if you want to get in touch with them, there's lots of ways that I mentioned earlier. You can subscribe to the newsletter too. Check it all out, x-mining.io. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.